guys, welcome back to another video on my channel. Today's video is going to be another unboxing video, and yeah, so this is today's parcel. I have no idea what it is. Joking, I do, but yeah, so I wonder what's inside. Yeah, I ordered this January 21st, so 4 days ago. That was like late at night. Oh, oh, these are great. I'm actually going to put them on now because I think I'm freezing. I really wanted the space ones, but it was out of stock. No, they're sold out. So I got the next best thing, even though they are all great. The cactus ones. Oh, I ordered from Dan and Phil shop, by the way. Been a while since I've ordered from there, so I thought to make another purchase. Do this before that person looks. There we go. The really thick, good quality socks. These will last a long time, and I'll give them 4 marks, 5 out of 5. Right on, Phil. They're some really good socks. Oh, I'm sorry, Dale. Oh, there he is. And previously, I have bought the bunny slippers, so we can be twins. Oh, the pink ring that I forgot to take off in the random thing. What time was it, Dale? 11:45? It's not that time now, for sure. So there's a Dale. And I believe I have one thing left. Here they are. And this piece of paper is my order form. Royal Mail. They come by Royal Mail. Yeah, there's nothing. Oh no, I'm gonna keep this. It only has all my important information on. And the next thing is. Oh, wait, I'll open it. Thank goodness everyone's asleep, because I wouldn't have filmed this until I woke up again. Because I've got to wake up early just to... Well, I say early. I'll normally give myself an hour or two. Next thing... Oh, is it? Oh, jeez, man. That butt's big. No offense. Oh wow, they're all like it. Look at Dale's. Dale's got a big butt. But yeah, as I've already shown you. Hey, why wasn't Phil tall plushie? Where's Dan's? Oh, it fell off in the pack. Sorry, Phil. Here they are. Oh, so I didn't go to the tour, mainly because, okay, so I love Dan and Phil dearly. I didn't go to the tour. No, that doesn't make me a fake fan. You don't have to go to everything that someone does, but I did almost go to the first tour, but I was too young to go by myself, so yeah, so there's the Dan and Phil plushies. Oh, these have got, oh, I love these plushies. And yeah, so that's all I got in my Dan and Phil order today. I hope you enjoyed this video. like, comment, subscribe, hit the bell, and we'll see you later.